What's up everybody, I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we have this brand new 2024 Ford Transit van. We upgraded the radio to a Pioneer radio with Apple CarPlay, and we added side blind spot cameras. So we got this 7-inch Pioneer radio that fits perfectly onto the dashboard. It has wireless Apple CarPlay. We integrated the original factory backup camera to display onto the radio. We also made the steering wheel controls function with the new radio as well. We added side blind spot cameras, so if you flip the right hand side signal, the blind spot camera will show up, and if you flip the left hand side signal, the blind spot for that one will show up as well. This has awesome functionality for any work truck, and if you guys want to upgrade your ride, come to the experts, Santa Clarita Auto Sound.